Hello out there, all you YouTubers and wind generator enthusiasts, alternative energy people. We're here in beautiful Penetang Machine, located on Penetang Bay. Just happened to be up on a hill, high enough to pick up some decent wind, and it's kind of a gusty day. I'd say gusting up to 15 or 20 miles per hour, maybe 25. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how easy it is really to put your own turbine together and make some decent power. Fairly reasonably priced, really. These are some components that I dug up from my shop. Just a piece of Lexan for the tail fin, some 1-inch bar stock, welded a post on it, probably about 3 feet, 2.5 feet long, and the motor is a Indiana General that I bought from a fellow on eBay, as well as the blades. They're made of some sort of space age plastic composite, very flexible. Well, not too flexible, but flexible enough so that they don't break if the turbine falls over. As you can see, it's fairly lightweight. I've built it in 2 pieces so I can take it down easy enough. And what we're going to do is put it together and see what kind of power we get out of it. My assistant, Joshua, will help me assemble the turbine that I've built, like I said, in 2 pieces, and this section slides right into this pole, as you can see here. I didn't grease it or anything, it just seems to pivot naturally. It's like 1.5 inches, and the inside pipe that I welded is probably 1 inch. Okay, Josh, you want to stand that up and make sure we stay away from the wind. And it automatically finds it'll find its way into the wind, like so. And right away it starts. Well, now we'll plug in these wires here. See what kind of reading we get on our little voltmeter. And there, she's all set up. And there, we have a little voltmeter plugged into it. Just something I got out of a boat that I wasn't using. See that way over the 12 volts. So we're gonna have to hook up a voltmeter or something else, because this thing only registers 16 volts. back out to hook up our voltmeter. Gauge hooked up and our voltmeter hooked up. And we got a fair bit of dust there. See, the meter's bending. Getting some decent readings off this thing. All homemade, folks. Some pretty good power off of a couple good pipes. And some nice blades and a little DC permanent magnet generator. Wind's gusting here. It's holding very steady. Anyway, that's it. Total cost, somewhere around $150.